Welcome to Bodoland Research. Today, we are going to demonstrate you the process of making Bodo Napham. I hope you will enjoy the video. Bodo Napham is a GI registered dish. Come along with me. Bodo Napham is one of the important and favorite dishes in Bodo cuisine. It is a fermented fish preparation, which is consumed as condiments with rice or soups. The whole fermentation process requires about 2 to 3 months. Bodo Napham is famous among the Bodos. We are referring to the Bodo community found in the state of Assam within India. Bodos are also found in other states of India, as well as in Nepal and Bangladesh. Traditionally, Bodo people preserve fish by different techniques like smoking, drying, salting, fermentation, marinating, etc. Due to high rainfall conditions and non-availability of fish products during all the seasons, the local Bodo community has preferred fermentation process for preserving food. Fermented fish products are special because of its unique feature of strong aroma, flavor, and texture. Bodo Napham is a good source of several minerals. Minerals that contain are calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. Bodo Napham has fish as main ingredient, so it is very much healthy for bones, skin, hair. The main raw materials to prepare Bodo Napham are taro stem or shoots and small dry fish. We also need hollow bamboo stem, clay and dry banana leaves to preserve Napham for fermentation and preservation. Traditional pounding tools like uval and gahan are also used in the making process of Bodo Napham. Production method. Step 1. Small fish dried under the sun and then smoked under low flame. Make sure that fish is not burnt. Step 2. Dried fish are grounded in uval and gahan. Keep grounding the dry fish until it turns to smooth powder, which will be perfect to mix with taro stem in the next step. Step 3. Mixing the grounded fish with young taro stems. Fish powder is grounded with the cleaned taro stem until it becomes a paste. Since taro stem has high proportion of water content, it is advised to add suitable quantity of taro to the fish powder. Step 4. Fermenting the fish and taro mix. The fish paste is inserted inside the bamboo cylinder covered with banana leaf and sealed with clay paste and straw for fermentation for 2 to 3 months. Make sure it is totally airtight. Otherwise, the quality of Bodo Napham will not be good. You must apply multiple layers of dry banana leaves to make it airtight absolutely. Step 5. The final stage of processing. Bamboo cylinder is sealed airtight with clay for preservation for the next 2-3 months. Fermentation process starts from here. Finally, Bodo Napham making process is over. We have only 5 steps to complete the process. All these are simple and are not labor-intensive. Please try your hand at Bodo Napham. Thanks for watching. Please let me know your comments. Goodbye.